So I've been traveling to different countries ever since 2014, and every time when I go on one of these trips, I go by myself. Because you see guys, if I had ever waited for someone to go with me, I would have never gone. It's too hard to wait for people and then it's just, they never go, and no, we're not gonna do that. I just wanted to go by myself, wanted to get this done, and it has been amazing, you guys. You're just put in a position where you wanna meet people, you really wanna connect with people, and it just helps you with that. And throughout the last 6 years, these connections I've made with people have been some of the most meaningful things I've ever done in my entire life. And so today I really wanna share with you how you can attain that and really hope to inspire you to do that. And so I'm gonna share with you the best way I've been able to connect with people all over the world while I'm traveling. So skateboarding has helped me connect with people in ways that I never imagined. It has helped me so much with meeting people, making friends, and it's how I continue to stay connected with them to this day. First off, it's because you don't really have to talk to them. Kind of weird for me to say, but honestly, here's why. So with skateboarding, it's this kind of activity where you don't have to talk to the other person, but you can still like both do something that you love together, and you're just kind of like sharing this space. Sometimes you don't know how to talk to them because you don't know the language, and so skateboarding really helps you break down those borders and establish a connection because, oh, you guys both know how to kickflip, you guys both know these certain tricks, and you can recognize that in each other and be like, oh, that's sick, you can do this. You start to feel some sort of like similarity and connection with each other despite not being able to talk to each other. Because skateboarding is such like a stress reliever, skateboarders tend to have a very chill and friendly attitude. And so I swear, like all the skateboarders I've met, they've always been pretty open to just hanging out and skating. People in general love having fun, but skateboarders, they just kind of value it more, so it's super easy. And let's say, for instance, compare the experience of skateboarding, where you can meet up with someone, if you guys don't really know how to talk to each other or don't get along, you guys can still skate, have fun. But you contrast that with the experience of meeting someone you don't know. You guys say getting coffee with each other. Say you find out you don't really know how to talk to them, or you guys don't get along, you're kind of stuck to hang out with them for the rest of the time that you're gonna be getting coffee. Skateboarding should just be the first date for everything. First meeting for everything. Go skateboard. That'd be fucking awesome. I would love that. So I think, having that kind of hobby where you and another person can meet and share, and it helps you stay connected because you see their progress, you see them, you stay interested in them because you stay interested in their skateboarding, their whatever. You can find a hobby that you love and use it, take it out into the world, and use that as a way to meet other people. It's not just a way to make friends across the world, but it's just a way to make friends in general. It's just to have something you really care about and you're interested in, and that will help you to stay connected with each other because you're interested in when they do that hobby. So I would recommend, if you guys have your own hobbies, whatever you do, find that one hobby that you can just do with other people, and really that's the kind of your gateway to connect with other people. So now that you have the hobby you really, really love, you're gonna need two more things. You're gonna start making friends out there while you're traveling the world. So the first thing you're gonna need is online and non-online resources that you can use to meet people. I'm gonna post them up kind of all around here. Go ahead and check out these online resources. I think they're all great. I made friends on all of them, but I've also met people you really didn't get along with either. So you can go ahead and use them. They all have their own benefit to it. I think there's a lot of variety and opportunity for you to meet people while you're out there. There's also non-online resources, so that's like meeting people out on the street. I've had people approach me in parks. I've just had people talk to me like, when I'm going out there buying stuff and they hear my voice, then I'm not from there. They're interested, we start talking. And lastly is to go find the space that your hobby likes to occupy and just go in there. So skateboarding, we always went to the parks. So, go to the parks, go to the skate shops, meet up with people like that. So find that space that your hobby likes to occupy and go there. And then, but when you're there, you're gonna be talking to people, and so that's gonna lead us into the third and last thing you're gonna want for when you're making friends out there. Big shout outs to Monica Pham for hooking up with this fly ass Asian calendar. Boom, hit her up. Real estate broker, MBA. I'm just kidding, I have no idea who she is. So you have the hobby you really love. You found a Facebook group for that hobby in whatever country you're going to, and you found some people who are down to meet up. So what are you gonna need now? You're gonna need some people skills. And so, let me tell you something. When I first started traveling back in 2014, I was definitely not as extroverted and confident as I am now. And so I was definitely shy to talk to people. And I'm gonna say I still made some really meaningful connections on that trip. So this is not to say that, people skills are a necessity, but if I had these people skills that I do now back then, I'm sure I would have had more fun, went on more adventures, and met more people. And so how I've been able to really learn how to be more confident and be more extroverted, learn to just seek out fun and seek out to just talk to people like just randomly in the street was through this YouTube channel called Charisma on Command. They have helped me so much. It helps me break out of the comfort zone in talking to people. Definitely the people skills will help you, because then once you meet face to face with these people, you're gonna wanna have fun, you're gonna wanna connect with people. And so Charisma on Command really helped me learn how to do that. So go ahead and check it out. And it's gonna be a very, very useful tool for when you're on your amazing trip all over the world. Alright guys, so to recap 3 things. The first one you're going to want are these resources that you're going to use to meet people. It's really what's going to open the door for you. Secondly, are going to be your people skills. That's what's going to help you really navigate this house, and it's really going to set you up to have fun and to create connection. And then lastly is your hobby. It's what's going to really be the foundation. It's going to create the most long-lasting and meaningful connection out of the 3. And so that's really all the tools that you're going to need to make friends, and I believe it's the most effective way to make friends while you're out there solo traveling. So go out there, and if no one else tells you guys, I believe in you and your ability to have just the most amazing, meaningful experience, because that's what it was for me. And I think it's one of the most important things you can do in life in general. So good luck, you guys. I believe in you. I'll see you all next time. Peace out.